Well, I fine-tuned Sparky and installed her on the engine, and had to do a few things like I had to jack the dwell out a little bit, get a little more juice out of the coil, and oh yeah, my retarded timing was way the hell off. I had to jack that back to about 20 degrees before or after top dead center at the max, because at 40 the thing was just backfiring like crazy, and it was real sensitive to the mixture and things like that. So and I put the timing light on it and took a look at it, and now she runs real good. So I've got two governors for this thing. Originally this engine was a throttler, and I ended up putting a slide mechanism here in this collar on the rod, and this little arm that can push it, against the governor button, and that turns it into a hit and miss. So it runs in both modes, which I'll show you. The first will be the throttling mode, which I sort of tend to prefer. Just sounds sweeter. But we got a show coming up, a couple of weeks, 3 weeks. I'm kind of trying to decide which mode I should put this engine in for the show. I'm kind of leaning towards the throttling mode, which you will see. I did put a tack on this thing, and right there you can see the little thingy that reflects. And in throttling mode it's running around 400 RPM. Oh yeah, that's the other thing I had to change, was the rev limiter. 100 is way too slow. So I looked at the tag on the front, and it said it was rated to 500. So that's where I set the rev limiter at, and it's fine. It's really never on the rev limiter. So anyways, yeah, we got a show coming up, and I'm kind of trying to figure out which mode I should put this thing in for the show. So without further ado, here they are.